Hello everyone, my name is Fareen Shaikh. I am a student of KLE Society, College of Education, Ankola. Today, I am going to talk about the concept of teaching aid. So before moving on to the topic, let us understand what is teaching aid. A teaching aid is anything used by a teacher to help teach a lesson or make it more interesting to students. Teaching aids can come in almost any form. The term teaching aid is used to identify such materials as being a supplement to basic teaching. The most important teaching aid in the classroom is teacher and blackboard or a whiteboard. Let us see the types of teaching aid. There are three main types of teaching aid: visual aid, audio visual aid. Visual aid is use sense of vision. It includes actual object, chart, map, flashcard, pictures, whiteboard, models, etc. Audio aids. It involves sense of hearing. Audio aids are common teaching tool which include classroom stereo system, individual headset, etc. Audio visible aid. These aids are multi-sensory material which we used. It can be used to produce, distribute and used as the planned component of the educational program. This aid can have a great impact on teaching. It involves the sense of vision as well as hearing. Teachers can use instructional or documentary videos to enhance the specific subject or a topic. It usually requires television, digital video player, etc. Let us discuss teaching through non-projected visual aid. A non-projected visual aids are those aids which are used without any projection material or any electric power. Blackboard or a whiteboard, posters, charts, specimens, models, flashcards, etc. Blackboard or whiteboard. It was used in early days of teaching. Nowadays, whiteboard is in use. It is easy to use, electricity is not required, darkening of room is not required, maintenance is minimal. Posters. Posters include both text and graphical matter. Posters should be designed to be informative and eye-catching. In classroom, poster can be kept based on which course is going on. It can be kept on common topic like how to do hand wash and how to maintain safety in lab. Charts. Charts is a way to present and show educational material in classroom or other places. It includes pictures, graphics, pie charts, tables or trees. Specimens or models. It can be static or dynamic model. You can show this to the student. You can even ask student to make it under your guidance. Flashcard. It is simple and versatile resource for teaching. Buy them or make them or ask to student to make it. It is usually stimulating material. It enhances learning. Projected visual aid. Projected visual aids are pictures shown upon on a screen by the use of certain type of machine. Overhead projector, LCD panel, smart boards. Overhead projector. Overhead projector is the important electronic teaching aid. In older time, it is widely used. Machine project images from transparency. It does not need darkened room. Teacher can face the student and communicate. Images can be shown by using the overhead projector. LCD panel. Nowadays, LCD panels are largely used. It is used for prepare proper PPT and do presentation. Images, videos, animation can be added into the slides of PPT. Smart boards. Most recent visual aids. System is easy to use and touch sensitive. Importance of teaching aids. Make lesson more enjoyable, clear and comprehensible for students. They can be used at all level of learning process to enrich vocabulary knowledge. Effective to increase student memory. What they learn with the help of these aids imprint in their mind. Provide a natural learning atmosphere and help them to actively involved in the learning, teaching and experiencing process. Effective because it makes the whole process simple, productive and enrich the learning activities. It can be facilitate the better understanding of the subjects which discourage the act of confusion. It enables the student to express their concept effectively. Teaching aids make the classroom live and active and avoid dullness because of involvement of every student. It saves time from long and boring explanatory classes and helps the student to understand the complex subject easily. The more use of supportive materials increase the learning activities and chance of success. This is what about the teaching aids. Thank you for watching this video. If you guys like the video, please do like, share and comment and not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.